Welcome to Who Has Time for This?
My name is Noah, and today we're talking about how thermoses work.
Thermoses keep contents hot or cold by preventing heat transfer through conduction, convection, and radiation using a vacuum. Install double wall and a reflective inner surface.
Wait, I'm upside down. Wait,
No, gravity, no! The vacuum between the walls the vacuum in between the two walls eliminates conduction and most convection.
tune in next week for another Who Has Time for This?